Hello K-friends! Today I want to introduce braised chicken stew jjimdak. Jjimdak is one of Koreans' favorite chicken dishes. Let's get started. Soak up a handful of 당면 in warm water for 30 minutes. Drain well before using. Cut the potatoes into large chunks. Soak the sliced potatoes in cold water, then the potato color will not change. Cut the carrots into bite-sized pieces. If you cut vegetables too small, they can be easily mashed. Cut the onion into appropriate sizes as well. Cut the mushrooms into appropriate sizes. Cut the scallions into 2-inch long pieces. Also chop the red pepper. If you want to eat with children, you can omit red pepper and use red bell pepper instead. All ingredients are ready. Then I will make the seasoning sauce. Pour half cup of soy sauce. Pour a quarter cup of cooking wine. Add a quarter cup of brown sugar for sweetness and color. If you don't have it, you can just use white sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add some ginger. Add some ground pepper. Mix well. It's better to use one chicken for the braised chicken. If it is difficult to cut a whole chicken, you can use a mixture of chicken drumsticks and chicken thigh. Cut the chicken into appropriate sizes. Put the chicken in boiling water. Blanch the chicken in boiling water for 3 minutes. Blanching the chicken removes the impurities and fat from the chicken and catches the smell of the chicken to some extent. Wash the chicken well in cold water and drain the water. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook the chicken once about 3 minutes each side. If you fry and season it once like this, the chicken will not come apart easily and the texture will improve. The seasoning is well absorbed and tasty good. For the seasoning sauce, pour about 2 cups of water. Boil for 10 minutes over high heat. 10 minutes later, add potatoes and carrots. Cover with a lid and cook for another 10 minutes over medium heat. 10 minutes later. Wow, it smells so good! When the potatoes are cooked to some extent, add onions and mushrooms. Also add the 당면. And add the chopped scallions and red pepper. If you want a spicier taste, you can add a little dried red pepper too. I tried making with dried pepper, but it's too spicy to me, so I'm omitting it today. Cook it another for 3 minutes. At the end, if you have a corn syrup, add 1 tablespoon. Then the food becomes glazed and delicious. You can skip it if you don't have it. Adjust the taste at this stage. It should have a slightly salty taste to season the chicken. If you have a sesame seeds, sprinkle a little. Turn off the heat when the noodles are cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well. If you eat 당면 like this, it's so delicious. Absolutely delicious to braise the chicken stew is done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.